Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Camry, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2014 Toyota Camry. So right now the customer is having issue with the trunk. It doesn't open. So you can see I press unlocked and right now it's locked. Now I'm gonna hold the trunk button and you're gonna hear the motor is acting up. You can hear it. It goes but it doesn't pop the trunk open. Try it again. You can see, press unlock, try it again. Not good. But if I open it manually, pull the latch, the trunk pops up. You can see the trunk pops up. Nothing's in the way. Now the problem is the trunk latch is acting up. It's going bad. So I'm gonna try it again. Close it. You can hear it doesn't want to open, so I just have to open it manually with the handle, and there you go. Access to the trunk latch actuator here. You're gonna remove the cover. They're all clips, so just pry all the clips out and then you can take the cover out. For the trunk latch, there's a connector right here. Press on this tab, pull. There's two 10mm. The new parts that the customer provided for me. He gave me this one, the new one, no name at all. Not sure where he got this from, probably eBay. This one, same thing, no name, but it's original though, from Toyota. But I looked up on O'Reilly and AutoZone, on the website. The trunk latch that they have is Dorman. That's the brand Dorman. It's gonna cost around $230. You can hear the trunk latch here. This one is broken. You can hear something is rattling inside. Let me shake it again so you can hear. You can hear it. On the new one, nothing. Let me hold this. Nothing at all. So something broke inside here internally, bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap the cable over to the new one. Pop out the cover right here. You're gonna use a flat head, shove it in here, pry it out from this lock right here. It's kind of hard for me to do with one hand, but let me try. There you go. There you go. It pops out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap the cable over, unhook it from the latch. There you go. Now I'm just gonna hook it into the new one. Just want to see the inside, so I took out the inside. So you can see the new one right here. It looks a little bit cheaper. It feels cheaper to me. Yeah, the original one's broken. Nothing at all. So I'm just gonna hook in the. There you go. Hook it into the bracket right here. Come on. Press it down. There you go. It sits all the way down. That's good. The ball is good right here. Yep, the latch is working. This is the manual latch right here. Close it. There you go. Now I'm gonna put it back to the trunk. In the new one, I ran into a little problem. So I put the new one in, I closed the trunk. I opened it manually with the handle. It opened. I tried to open it with the key. It doesn't work. The trunk button on the key doesn't work. Then I took it back out, take a look at it. So you can see the cheaper one doesn't have the motor inside here. The gear for the which is for the key. When you press it, it'll unlock from the key. On the older one, the original has the motor in here, but the motor is bad and something broke inside. So for the new one, very cheap, doesn't have the motor, only work with the handle. So I called the customer and let them know about that. I have to buy another original but used one for the guy. Here's remember his old one, the one that he bought, no name, nothing. It didn't have the motor for the key. So you can see right here, that's the cheap one, $20. This is the original one from Toyota. If you want to buy a brand new, it's going to cost you around $280 before tax. So I just transfer over the latch cable for the handle. Just swap it over like that, and then just close it. Everything's good. There you go. And then I'm gonna put everything back. Got everything back then already. Make sure you guys check the trunk latch connector right here. Make sure the wire is not broken. The pin inside here is not corroded or bent. If it's good, go ahead and plug it back. Now make sure you guys buy the one with the motor, okay? Like I told you, the one with the motor, the one that's inside here has a white piece. That's a motor for the key. But the one that's empty, that one is a cheap one, doesn't have the motor, so it's not gonna work with the key. Sure, the line hook back to the bracket right here, and then right here, and then before you put the cover back, let's check it. There you go. Let's see if it works now. It should work. There you go. Remember, with the bad one, it doesn't open with the key. Now with the new one, it works perfectly. So I'm gonna try with the handle now. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna pull it. There you go. Pops up. Pretty good. So you guys can go ahead and put back all the cover, the clips. Make sure you guys don't buy the cheap one. The $20, $30 one is not worth it. Just buy the original. The original has the motor to work with the key too. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.